The F-15E floats like a butterfly and strikes like an eagle. This version of the F-15 can soar like an eagle and strike just as hard. The program began in 1967, and after more than 2 years of intensive testing and evaluation, the Air Force awarded McDonnell Douglas the F-15 Advanced Tactical Fighter contract, after the aviation maker placed first amongst the 3 competitors in all phases of the competition but also had the lowest contract price. The single-seat, all-weather, air-superiority fighter was a noted departure from the F-4, a tandem 2-seat, long-range jet interceptor and fighter bomber. While the F-4 could engage a ground attack role, this was initially deemed unnecessary by the F-15 Special Project Board. However, the designers at McDonnell Douglas continued to work on a potent multi-role version as the F-15E Strike Eagle, which can fulfill both roles of air-to-air superiority and ground strike. That 2-seat version of the F-15 Eagle provided the United States Air Force with an aircraft that could fight its way to enemy territory, engage and destroy enemy aircraft, destroy an assigned ground target and fight its way back home without the need for additional air support. The F-15E Strike Eagle made its maiden flight in 1986, and since 2001 the Air Force has used the aircraft almost exclusively for close air support. The plane's navigation system utilizes a laser gyro along with GPS to continuously monitor its position and to provide information to the central computer and other systems, which include a digital map to both the pilot and weapons systems officer. The Strike Eagle's APG-70 radar system also allows the crew to detect ground targets from great distances, and during an air-to-surface strike the pilot is able to detect, target and engage air-to-air targets while the weapons systems officer can designate a ground target. The plane's low-altitude navigation and targeting infrared for night system can also allow the F-15 Strike Eagle to fly at very low altitudes even in adverse weather conditions and at night. Early aircraft were powered by Pratt & Whitney F-100, PW-200 engines, while later batches of the Strike Eagle featured the more powerful Pratt & Whitney F-100, PW-229 engines, but each incorporates advanced digital technology that provides for improved performance. This allows pilots to accelerate from idle power to maximum afterburner in under 4 seconds, while the faster acceleration allows for quicker takeoffs and better response while maneuvering. The Strike Eagle lives up to its name with its ability to carry payloads up to 23,000 pounds. It can include up to 4 Lockheed Martin Raytheon AIM-9L infrared-guided Sidewinder air-to-air missiles, up to 4 Raytheon AIM-7FM radar-guided Sparrow air-to-air missiles, or 8 Raytheon Advanced Medium-Range Air-to-Air Missile radar-guided, medium-range air-to-air missiles. Given its ability to fight to the target and back, it is easy to see why this has been the dual-role fighter of choice not only for the United States Air Force and United States Air National Guard but also the Air Forces of Israel, Japan, Singapore and Saudi Arabia. This version of the F-15 can soar like an eagle and strike just as hard.